Unity, please fix your fucking engine. I'm tired of this. I'm sorry for what happened, but it's not even my fault because the stream like crashed. I mean, Unity, I just started the game and it crashed my entire PC. And I mean, it was unusable, so I have to shut it, turn it off. And it's so fucking annoying. Why is it difficult, Unity team, to do something that doesn't crash? And now I need to double check that everything is fine, because I need to start the streaming from the beginning. For God's sake, man. And again, yeah, I cannot stream to my freaking channel. Not sure why. It's a very upsetting situation for me. But this is the kind of things that, you know, you stop working with the software. Whatever, man. I will fix the... I'm not sure why I cannot stream to the Saturn channel. I will upload the video later. But God, I just want to do my job. Can I sign up, by the way? No, I cannot. What a news. Okay. So we have now recovered, hopefully, or thankfully, we have like a recovery where is the freaking recovery? Here, it's recovery, okay. And we go to scenes. Right, we delete this. Yeah, that's the same, okay. Okay, I just wanted to test my code. Is it that difficult? I also need IntelliJ. Right, I'm not IntelliJ. Of course, I need to change the
Commander, we've intercepted a faint distress signal.
Freaking tool every time. Now even manually.
Why they went silent, but we need answers. Your mission is simple. Assess the situation and assist.
Fuck, I need to
stay sharp. There's no
start social ninja or whatever it's called. Yeah, I need to open Rider. Not sure why it doesn't save it. It's dumb. But it's the way it is, so... Yeah. Good. Okay, I clearly see that I'm not streaming to Saturn. Even Social Stream Ninja doesn't see it. Am I even streaming? Normal channel? Yes. Yes, I am. Anyway, okay, we have the game. Sorry guys if I'm non-functioning chat, but this is what it is. And like, okay, we need to move to the nav point. We need to take a look at the scan progress. Kindly delete this, thanks. And then let's see here the scan progress. If the scan progress works. I mean, it clearly does. But is it lagging my... Oh, I'm out of range now. Yeah. This is a navigation problem. Why is it moving away? I'm not sure. Is it because shipwreck? Well, how big is it? Is the no-fly zone of the shipwreck? It's very small. So we have a bug. I mean, it's not a new bug. It's it is what it is. Okay. So open KC player ship actively going out of can vision. Right. And so like now it's connected. This is not sure if it's trivial. I need to work with some variables, probably manageable, probably medium, and this is definitely 3D scripting and bug. Okay. By the way, yes, I'm working. So how do we fix this if we want to, you know, test this? Well, first of all, it looks, it could be already done scanning, or yeah, it is. Okay, I'm not sure why it's going back and forth. Because my scripts needs to be tuned very well, and they are kind of made to conflict with each other on purpose. But yeah, sometimes it's a bit too much, and there are these weird behaviors. No. But it works. So now I have my shipwreck. Okay, I can call. Well, I don't need to continue. Okay, so it works. And this is the first step. This is the first step of the journey. So the solution I was about to do is just to move the spaceship manually in range. And rename class So what ticket is this? Not what I want. Wait, I didn't mark it as in progress. Yeah, it was this. Okay. Please stay in progress. Yeah. So what did I do? I implemented. I saved, right? Yes. Implement scan progress. And this is KC83. Commit and push. But now I need to make sure that this value does, like this value depends on the ship, which means that I need to go here and maybe in the ship attributes having like a scan, sort of scan speed, I don't know. I mean, this class is big, but yes, it's public, guys. Don't fuck with me, please. How the fuck can I call these variables? Speed depends on enemy ship. How to name variable? I mean, let's see if that works or not. Scan resolution. Time to be scanned. In seconds. I don't know, default should be quite high so that I get pissed off and change it. But assert. Let's try this out. I mean, in this case, it must be more than. I guess I can attach a message or. A string, yeah. I guess this is the. Yeah. So. Can I actually enter the name of... Not really. Whatever. Yeah. That's it. Alright. However, I have to say that probably the wrong place. Now I'm gonna get lots of error. Actually, Unity. How to validate values and not running the game. Triggers every time a serialized field is modified. I wonder when false when the script is loaded or value has changed. When do you, if you need to detect change, undo reduction. So yeah, on validate I'm not. I guess they are a tool, yeah, but they are not the fix, let's say. But it can be useful, so why not? Right? I mean, I could even make an interface for this. I guess. Let's see if it works. Of course it doesn't. Yeah, the question is, why is it not working? I mean, the game is not even running, so I'm not sure if this should work or not. Well, instead of doing this, uh, did I? No, I'm not debugging. And let's say, for example, okay, opens inspector, nothing happens. I don't get it. Am I checking the correct thing? Time to be scanned in seconds. No, I'm not. So, wait, does it do continuously? So only for that script, okay. And maybe occasionally. Okay, I get it now. What about -1? Okay. It makes sense now. I think this is a powerful tool. I should do that both on enable or, you know, on awake, depending on the situation. And so can I maybe so I want to make generate. I want to generate no, maybe I need to do refactoring. Extract interface. So what do I need? I need the validate method, okay. Name validated mono behavior interface. Is just a random name for the moment. I don't really care. So why is it public? What's the problem? I don't get it. There is a validate method somewhere. Yeah, this is only for public, right? Because interfaces or public, they are like for when you have to agree on something. So what should I do? What should I do is sorry guys, I'm a bit confused. Where am I? So I should go here, find the file, in this file. Oh, it's here. Okay. Delete it. It's not the moment to fix this shit. Let's focus on on the implementation, right? That one is refactoring. Anyway, so if I'm scanning someone, so this shit should be deleted, and if I have an object to scan, then okay. So let's do the following. I want shape attributes, and even then I need to think 1 second about how to set this value, because I actually have already ship attributes. So it's called ship model. I forgot to. And well, I can just do ship attributes dot time to be scanned in seconds. But this is the speed, right, at which I mean, we already knew that this should be 4, right? It needs to be 4. And save. And we test. And only when this is done and it's working, then I can think about, okay, maybe I can do some, you know, refactoring, right? That makes sense. And
your mission is simple: locate the ship, assess the situation, and assist them if necessary. Stay sharp. There's no telling what you'll find out there. Good luck.
So can we play? We need to keep an eye on this. As you can see, there is no... this should fill. This works, but I'm wondering, I mean, this is not how much time I need to... Okay, now it's out. Something is not working as intended. Like the thing with time delta. I want something to happen per second. So degrees per second, exactly. So this is the scan time. Degrees per second. So this is not the entire time, this is the speed. So the name is wrong. What I should have there instead is to be scanned. Okay, so let's take keywords and then we will see. Okay, so the keywords are scanned. Then we have since we want this to be the speed of scanning. Okay, speed to be scanned. It's horrible. Speed per second. And scan is not there still. Scan speed. Speed to be scanned per second. So this... I don't care. No. This should be 4. And no, it shouldn't be. Okay. Oh, don't. And it should work now. In the meantime, let's think about what we want later for the validation. So we want the user to extend, validate, right?
Your mission is simple. Locate the ship, assess the situation and assist them if necessary. Stay sharp. There's no telling what you'll find out there. Good luck.
We want to implement it, and we want so an abstract method, and then an abstract class. But we want also to like have onValidate on the base class. Okay, these things with inheritance, I don't know, they kind of confuse me, or we will make it. We will make it. Scan component is here. Okay, it's too slow, but I'm not sure about the FPS. 200 FPS. So this is still not per second. Rotate degrees per second. The scan speed per second. So each second I get 4. No, that's wrong. It should be 25. What the fuck I'm talking about? Speed to be scanned per second. Okay, this name is horrible, but now it should work. Let's see if we picked up
Commander, we've intercepted
some chats.
signal from a vessel in a nearby asteroid field. We don't know what happened or why they went silent, but we need answers. Your mission is simple. Locate the ship, assess the situation and assist them if necessary. Stay sharp. There's no telling what you'll find out there. Good luck.
Well, it's time to finish, right, for today. I'm sorry if I'm not reading chat, it's just the thing crashed and I need time to set it up, and I'm already done. Yeah, okay, now it makes sense.
Captain, the ship is irreparably
Perfect, yeah, this is perfect behavior. Okay. And I should be able to see ship attribute, to be honest. Would be very useful. Just for debugging, you know. Okay. That being said, yeah, it was easier than expected, but this is easier just because the code is good, although the code that I wrote is good. We save here, go here, and we do scan progress. Wait a second, I think first I want to actually change this name to spin to be scanned per second. Speed to be scanned per second. Sorry, now I don't know about choosing a name. Sometimes I need help with that. So we just take this LM Studio. So I hope that it's fine if I'm streaming. I'm just loading. What AI should I use? What do I have here? Okay, my computer is lagging a bit. What's happening? Why am I using all my RAM? Did I start a server? Did it start a server? Yes. Sorry, I don't want a server for now. How is that all my resources are busy? Who is using these resources? Unity, Rider backend, OBS. Okay, well, it's live. So I will just ask ChatGPT.